When people talk about production machining, they think of millings, machines, parts, metals. We do all that at Rathburn, but we're also a solutions company. Companies come to us looking for more than just parts. They come to us because of supply chain delays and quality issues. We jump in and take care of them so they can meet their deadlines. We're able to reverse engineer parts for some customers and find ways to save them money. If a customer wants to ramp up with a new program with prototype to production support, we can help them through the entire process. We have all the equipment to machine almost anything they need. Our guys have been doing this for so long, there's almost nothing they haven't seen or done. That's just who we are at Rathburn. Ingenuity and precision in everything we do.